Hello, Dr. Shubhagato here, and today I brought the second part of our topic. The name of the topic is relationship. So, in this part, I will talk about engagement. In part 1, I discussed the 4 processes to develop a meaningful relationship between two entities. So, as relationship is defined as the connect between two entities. So, engagement is something that is the interflow of feelings, desires, wishes between these two entities, and that is engagement. So, engagement is the unit of any relationship because it's an unit of any connection between two entities. Now, engagement comes after we reflect or we decide. So, decision that we take on the relationship, on various aspects of the said relationship, guides or governs the engagement level. Engagement level is also governed by one constant factor, that is relevance. So anything relevant to us, anything that is a priority to take on that particular relationship, to take that relationship forward, we are actually engaged. So I can say that engagement is basically a function of decision. The quality of decision influences the level of engagement. Now, decision is again the function of analysis. I mean, if we walk towards the back, from the origin towards the origin. Analysis is again a function of what? Accommodation, right? Accommodation is again a function of accept, and accepting what? The information, which is again the function of the content of the information. So finally, engagement actually being governed by the content of the information when the information was exchanged between two entities. So engagement is an extended version of how we process the information in the brain, and that's why engagement guides, governs, regulates the extent of relationship. In the engagement, other than the functionaries, there is another important constant factor that also regulates the level of engagement, and that is called as a penalty factor or a bias factor. Now, what is a penalty or a bias factor? These are all the hard sides of human brain or human behavior, like ego, like megalomania, that I am the best, okay, like expectation. The expectation level is very high. One entity is expecting too much from the other entity, and the other entity, to meet up those expectations, are being drained. So that is another penalty factor, another example of penalty factor. I give one more very common example of penalty factor is emotional exploitation. So there are two types of exploitation. One is the social and biological, and the other one is the emotional. Emotional falls between social and biological. So emotional exploitation that happens within the relationship. So emotional exploitation is very, very important, and that is also contributing to the bias factor or the penalty factor, reducing the level of engagement. If the engagement level, we find that I am being exploited, emotionally, and I am not being able to manage myself to meet up the expectation of the other person, then what happens? That we actually cut that connection. The engagement circuit is off. Okay, so it's like a parabolic curve, x versus y. Now, up to a certain extent, the engagement level is high or it is growing, but then it falls. Okay, because you are unable to meet up the expectation after a certain time. So you take a call to move on. So that's why engagement is very, very important and pivotal to any relationship.